In the quiet chamber of consciousness where connection becomes the foundation of existence, there is a presence that embodies loyalty, heart-centered awareness, and the remembrance of unity. White Dog arises as the archetype of love, devotion, and the intelligence of emotional bonds that transcend separation. It is the essence of connection as a living force, where belonging is recognized as an inherent state of being. This energy moves through the subtle field of relationships, not as attachment in its ordinary sense, but as recognition of shared essence. It reflects the deeper architecture of trust, where connection is not constructed, but remembered. Within this field, the heart becomes a point of resonance, aligning experience through the natural pull of affinity and sincerity. In its balanced expression, White Dog manifests as unconditional presence within relationships and a deep sense of emotional integrity. Connection flows naturally, grounded in trust and openness, where affection is expressed without expectation or control. Loyalty becomes an expression of inner coherence rather than obligation, and love is experienced as a stable, grounding force that nurtures clarity and emotional truth. There is a quiet simplicity in this state, where connection feels natural, unforced, and deeply authentic. In its shadow expression, this same energy can become dependency, attachment, or emotional projection. Relationships may carry expectation or imbalance, where connection is sought as completion rather than shared presence. Alternatively, emotional distance may arise as a protective response, creating separation from the natural flow of intimacy. In both expressions, the pure essence of connection becomes distorted by fear or imbalance in emotional perception. The lesson within White Dog is the recognition that love is not possession, but resonance. Connection is not something held, but something experienced as shared alignment of consciousness. Through awareness, emotional bonds become mirrors of inner state, revealing the depth of authenticity within the heart. Within this archetype lives the remembrance that unity is not created through effort, but revealed through openness. Every relationship becomes a reflection of consciousness learning to recognize itself in another form of existence. In its deepest essence, White Dog is the intelligence of the heart in its purest state, where love is experienced as the natural field of being, and connection becomes the quiet recognition of shared presence within the fabric of life itself.